YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we have some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's Vac-Sweep 280 pressure side pool cleaner. Stay tuned, we're going to dive right in.
Alright guys, and we're back. So today we have another quick fix video for you on Polaris's Vac-Sweep 280 pressure side pool cleaner. As you guys can see, the cleaner's pretty stripped down to the basics. If you guys want to know how we got down to this point in the cleaner, make sure you guys check out the link in the description. We got a full playlist that will actually show you guys how to tear this apart from the outside in. In today's video, we want to show you guys how to remove the actual turbine here, which is the main driving force for the two front wheels of this cleaner. There is a cover that goes over this. Again, if you guys want to know how to get that cover off, make sure you guys check out the link in the description. We have all the videos broken down for you guys on all of these parts. So I've actually already pre-removed everything for you guys. And as you can see, I got the turbine just sitting here loose. The next step is we have to remove both of the axle bearings as well as the turbine shaft cover so that you can go ahead and lift out the entire turbine and the axle all as one and go ahead and replace that. So there's 6 screws to remove here. I'm looking at all Phillips head screws, so the only tool I need is just a Phillips head screwdriver. I like to use a longer Phillips head screwdriver, it just makes it easier to work with. So I'm gonna go ahead and start removing all 6 of these screws. One big thing that I really like about Polaris's cleaners in comparison to some of the other competitors when it comes to their pressure side cleaners is that they have pre-threaded screw holes in the frame already for you guys, so you don't take the risk of constantly having to remove the screw and put the screw back in directly into plastic, so you don't have the opportunity to strip out the frame, which can cause a lot more problems for you. So go ahead, remove all 6 of these short screws. They're all small little Phillips head screws. That none of these are going to be long for you, so go ahead and remove them. Good thing about this is that you don't have to worry about where they go back, since they're all the same size for every working part here. So go ahead, 5 of them. The last one. Again, if you guys want to know how to just remove the axle bearings here, or if you guys want to talk about the turbine shaft cover, we do have all those videos in the description below. So once you get all 6 of the screws out, you're just going to go ahead and remove those parts. Slide those out, and now you have full access to the actual turbine and the axle of the cleaner. So as you guys can see here, it does have these clear tube protectors. These are very important. This helps reduce the friction of the metal to the plastic. So if these are not on your turbine shaft, you guys do want to make sure that you get these. They are sold as a pack, so you do get one long one and the one short one. Obviously kind of self-explanatory on how it sits on the actual axle. So make sure you guys check out the links below. We have all those available for sale. So you guys can see that all these fins are just a plastic on the turbine. This is one whole piece. You cannot remove the actual turbine from the axle. So once any part of this plastic turbine breaks, you do have to replace the entire piece. When you do buy the entire piece, you do not get the shaft seals. So you do need to make sure that you guys purchase these as well to make sure that everything functions properly for you. So once you guys get your new one, or if you're just taking it out to replace any debris that may have gotten in here, you're just going to go ahead and set those in. Just go ahead and drop the turbine in there. Again, it's directional, so it's not like you can set it this way. Everything has to go in a certain way. So you're going to drop that in. Your next step that you're looking for is your turbine bearings, which again, we have a full video that explains these and which way to set these. So we'll go ahead and just put those on. With me. Goodness. Teeth have to line up. There it goes. And then other side. So those are directional as discussed in our previous video, so you do have to make sure that you get those all lined up. And then again, it's really important that you guys put that turbine shaft cover back on there to make sure that no dirt and debris can get into the actual axle and cause it to freeze up. Then you're just going to simply go through, reattach all 6 of your screws, start to put your cover back on, reassemble the cleaner to get it back in there and get it to working properly and start cleaning your pool like it should. I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to hit that like button. It really helps a lot. Be sure to subscribe. We've got a ton more videos coming your way on this cleaner as well as every other cleaner on the market. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We've got a ton more videos coming your way. And be sure to hit that like button. We really appreciate all the love and feedback we get from you guys. I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.